Do y'all see what I am seeing right now? This baby here is lit. Here's the hair. My waist, well, past my waist area. Yes. Okay, I will be reviewing this wig by Outre. The name of the wig is Ava in a color 1B. Hope you all can see that. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright. Okay. Here is this beautiful wavy wig. It is gorgeous. Okay. Okay, the cap construction. It has one long comb in the front, a comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. Alright. I'm running my fingers through it to see how much it sheds. Okay. It sheds quite a bit. But not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay. So let's get this beautiful wig on my head. Okay, I am back and I am just completely blown away by how gorgeous this unit looks. Okay. And it was definitely like under $16 for this unit, and it is simply gorgeous. Look at the beautiful curls. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't tangle at all. Gorgeous. Okay, well, this is just perfect to use with the headband. This is the perfect half wig if you're going out on a date, birthday hair, because it's like what I'm trying to say. It's like glamorous, honey. This is a glam style right here. Okay, so you definitely can wear it for your birthday, a night out. Okay, it's just beautiful. Or is this everyday wear? I would do it. I would do it. You know, I'll go to Walmart all glammed up. That's how we do it. That's how we princesses do it. We don't have to be going nowhere, and we be looking as lit as it can be, okay? All right, let's do the 360. Here's the hair from the side, the back, okay, and the other side. She's kind of long, pretty long. Goes down to my waist, well, past my waist area. Pretty long wig. And gorgeous. Well, I got a little tangle right there at the top. Gorgeous, probably from all that swinging I was doing. That could be why it had a little tangle. Okay? Yes, this wig is lit. It's just simply gorgeous. Okay. All right, that pretty much wraps it up for this review right here. If you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button and be sure to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.